It goes, but it does not stop. Holy crap. What's up, everybody? My name is Elliott, and welcome back to the fastest growing Midwestern-based automotive channel on YouTube, hosted by a notary public. Now today I've got a whole mixed bag of different activities I need to do, and I want to bring you along for each and every one of them. But the first thing on our list is taking my 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat into the dealership for an open warranty recall. Apparently it needs something with the catalytic converters, but because this car is currently listed for sale on carsandbids.com, I want to make sure it goes off to its new owner fully up to date and that they don't have to do a thing. Like a good cat, it's important to make sure that this car has all of its vaccinations and shots, and today is basically a vet appointment for the car. So, first thing on our list is taking this car over to the dealership. Let's head out. Okay, the Hellcat is dropped off at the vet. The next on the list of activities is to go to Sam's Club, and we'll see what we can get inside. Okay, turns out all we needed was my weekly supply of water. As you can see, Evian, some regular little bottles, and paper towels, because, you know, you always got to get at least one if you see it. It's a shortage, it's crazy. Whew, a lot of hustling so far. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put a car back here. All right, what's next? Oh, Lamborghinis. Let's go do that. All right, well, we're here. We're at Tyler Hoover's house. Hi guys. Way to make it awkward. John Ross is here, and your buddy Michael. What we're here today to do is take these three Lamborghinis to CarMax to get an offer, and I'm sure the CarMax guys are going to absolutely love this. They're thrilled. Yes, they're going to love it. Tyler's got to shoot his thing, and then we got to roll out. So let's get to it.
You drive that?
Yes, I can drive this. Top goes down. Well, removes. Convertibles are my style. Although John Ross is in the hoodie, and he's going to be driving the coupe. So
he's the shortest. Color coordinated.
is that
color coordinated? What are you talking about?
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, so did I.
Are so fancy. We planned all this out. That's basically what happened here.
Yep. Anyway. Oh look, branding.
Branding.
All right. I'm gonna let Tyler shoot his thing, and then we'll be on the road. Okay. Narrow pedal box. Let's start this thing up. There we go. All right, initial driving impression is that these pedals are so close together that my foot is hitting the brake almost while I'm touching the gas. I have to angle my foot to get on the accelerator. But other than that, it feels so weird. You definitely get a sense of the car's size, and yet at the same time, seeing out the windshield, it just looks like nothing's there. I really do feel like I'm gonna have to not be able to get my foot up off the gas and onto the brake, which is a problem when you're driving somebody else's Lamborghini. Heck, it's a problem when you're driving your own Lamborghini, I'd say. Gotta look, it's a dog leg first gear, which means first is, oof, man. I feel like I'm touching the brake and the clutch at the same time. This is such an unsettling feeling. I just don't want to slam right into the back of a Countach. God, that would be a nightmare. Up. Stalled it out, not cool. Got to really look at what you're doing. Well, it's safe to say that 8-year-old me, when this car came out, is just pissing his pants right now. And believe me, I was not still pissing my pants at that age, but I think I would if I knew I was going to be doing this. I got to ride the Countach's butt in order to get the shot here, but it feels so awkward knowing that I can't stop very fast, following a car that you don't want to hit in a car you don't want to hit other cars with, followed by another car you don't want to hit you. People at stoplights right now got to be freaking out. We're in Wichita, remember? You never see one Lamborghini. And right now, if you were to come to this stoplight, you would see 3 V12 Lamborghinis simultaneously. That would be just bonkers to me. Oh, it does not stop. It goes, but it does not stop. Holy crap. All right, the Diablo was out of gas, and the Countach could have used some too, but now we're at Quick Trip, and we've drawn quite the crowd. As you can imagine, 3 V12 Lamborghinis at lunchtime in Wichita is just not something you ever see, so a rightful gathering of crowds. The Murcielago, fine on gas, so it's over there, but this was a thirsty girl. Now we're gonna hit the tunnel, and then head over to CarMax. All right, we're gonna want every window that can go down for this V12 Symphony. Like I said, I've taken some cars through here in my day, but never a Lamborghini, and never 3 at once. Oh my goodness! What a noise! 3 V12 Lamborghinis in a tunnel at once. And now, we head to CarMax. And don't stall it. There we go. I'm behind a freaking Honda Odyssey. How unfortunate. Should have picked the other lane. Oh no. I feel like such a noob. I have to like look down to shift, but wow, this thing has got some speed. I don't know why, in my mind, I just always imagined it wouldn't be like modern car fast, but it is. I am flabbergasted. This is an experience. And here we are at CarMax, seeing the boys in blue. You guys know I love these guys. Last time I brought them a BMW, today I bring them somebody else's Diablo. Boy, Lamborghinis sure are fun. But you know what else is fun? Really high mileage old BMWs. Let's see what's going on with this car today. Starting off with the passenger seat here, the seat back would tilt back and forth, the headrest would move, the whole seat would tilt up and back, but you could not move it forward and back. Turns out the motor just needed to be cleaned under there, and now look. It moves! Now it was a totally different deal on this side of the car. This seat wouldn't move at all, but it turns out it was just unplugged. This part on E39s moves around a lot and the connector just came unplugged. And now I can actually move it to the correct position in any direction, which also means that I can move this and adjust it for my wife. So leave a comment below if you'd like to see me teach my wife how to drive stick shift in this car. What better car could you ask for? And now she has no excuses. Another side benefit of this working is for some reason it made my tilt steering wheel work as well. They must all be connected. Either way, that's good news. This BMW is really snapping back together. With those things out of the way, there's just one more little thing to take care of on the FreeMW here, and that's this beautiful black tape that's holding up the driver's side window. Apparently window regulators on these cars are like Maserati clutches. They just go out. So my plan is to take off the black tape, take apart the door, and see if the window regulator really is bad, or if I got lucky and something just kind of slipped off the tracks. Let me get to tearing this apart. All right, so we got the door panel off and I can immediately see the issue. Here's the window, and this is the little window trolley. It's supposed to be connected here. There's actually supposed to be another one, but I don't even see it. I was kind of thinking, why is this in here and where's the other one? Well, I think what happened is when this fell down on the previous owner, they just opened up the door panel, shoved the window back in place and taped it. They weren't even worried about it. But I'm in here now, I'm gonna order a new regulator and we'll replace it when it gets in. Well, as fun as they may be, it's not all Lamborghinis and BMWs here on this channel. Sometimes it's old Chevys. And by old, I mean a 2009 Chevy Malibu. This car needs new hood struts, which is one of the easiest repairs you can do. We're already doing a little bit of everything today. We might as well do hood struts on an 09 Malibu. All right, let's take a look here. Yep, that doesn't work. But I need something to hold this up, so I think I found something in the trunk. One second. Looky here. Wedge this post in there. Man, look at that. Good to go. So this is the hood strut that we're replacing, and this is the easiest car repair I think you can do. There's just one clip here and one clip at the bottom. It pops off, and then you push the other one on. You don't even have to undo anything on the new one. Super simple. Should take less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. Just take your flat blade. That's that. Pull that away. And same thing with the clippy-do down here. And it's off. And then take the new one, and you go bang, and bang. Job done. Let's see it. See if this works. Ta-da! All right, so now you guys see what I mean. Easiest job in the automotive repair game. Let's see if it will lift itself up now. If I can find the hood latch. Come on, man. It works like a charm. So if you've got a car that needs a new hood strut or an SUV with the little back glass that requires these, just replace them. They're super, super simple, and most of the time they don't cost more than like $20. Anyway, I just got a call from the Dodge dealership. I think the Hellcat is ready to go be picked up. Let's go get it from the vet. All right, well, the Hellcat is ready, and Tyler's here. Tyler's the only guy I've ever had work on this car, and he's actually the one that did the PDI on it. But today you had to do an open recall on the catalytic converters, correct?
Correct, yep. Had the one open recall on it, got that taken care of today. I glanced it over again, made sure everything was as it should be, no leaks, everything was perfect, so it's ready for its new home.
Awesome. That makes me super sad. But be sure to check out Tyler's channel on YouTube as well. It's Tyler Potter. I'll have a link in the description below. He's obviously a master Mopar technician, but he's got a Camaro ZL11LE himself and some other cars, so be sure to check that out. Tyler, thanks for the work. And now I get to drive it one last time. So, God, that's so sad. Well, we sure have done a lot today. We took the Hellcat to the vet, we went to Sam's and got a whole bunch of water, we drove a Lamborghini, we diagnosed a problem with the BMW, we fixed a Chevy Malibu, and then we drove the Hellcat again. How could a day get any better than that? Be sure to check out the listing for the Hellcat on Cars and Bids. It's still active as of right now. If nothing else, check out the pictures and leave a comment and let Daddy Doug know I sent you. Other than that, be sure to follow me on Instagram, join me on Facebook, and join my Facebook group because I'm in there interacting a lot. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe on this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. I look like a major prepper wheeling all this water through the store, even for Sam's, but that's the cost of staying hydrated. All right, pulling into the Car Ninjas right now, just to switch camera angles, switch everything up. Try not to scrape the priceless Lamborghini. Okay. Mission accomplished there. One thing I'm learning about Lamborghinis is they are an absolute nightmare to reverse. It's just not possible, like in any of them. Although, Tyler just made it look easy, but then again, he's done this before.